speech about never give up. If I could go back and give my younger self just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. You want to live once, so do what you will passionate about, take chance, and don't be afraid to fail, because your dreams are big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. So have dreams, but have goals. Life have goals. Early goals understand you to achieve these goals. You need discipline and constancy in order to achieve your goals. And one thing more, don't cry. When you are failed, do not cry. When you are successful, you need patience, you need hard work for loss of hope. At last, I end my speech with one thought. The person who has an ability to walk alone, there are many people behind me. Thanks for listening.